Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will see how to draw and use doodles on Instagram. First you will need to open the Instagram and go to DMs and select the person you wish to send. In the down you will see the messages. First you will need to click on the GF. Then in the search bar type doodles. When you search doodles, lot of doodles will appear on your screen. So select as per your needs. Like I select the first one. When I select, the doodle will automatically send it to the person. And if you want to draw, then you will need to click on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. When you click on the plus icon, then you will see the draw option. Simply click on draw. When you click on draw, then you will see lot of options appear on your screen, like the colors and lot of things. So select the color as per your needs, and in the left side you will see the sidebar, from where you can adjust the size of the pen or marker. Simply draw anything you wish to send to the person and simply click on send. That's it. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.